Welcome back everybody. Today we will be mounting the scrape bar on the MT07 from Crew Garage. I've already had this on one of my bikes before, so I should know how to do it, but I forget, so we will figure it out together. I'll start with removing the seats and probably the rear fairings, and we'll take it from there. It's gonna mount somewhere around here. This is not the version that has mounting holes for the license plate. That would be really sick. Maybe Crew Garage will see this video and be like, oh man, cool video, I'll send you one. But we'll see, and for now, I'll just mount it and then we will maybe figure out a way to mount the license plate as well. Starting with removing the seat, take the 5mm in order to remove the main seat. Take this thing out. We can almost sort of see it's gonna be mounted in these 4 holes that the license plate holder is mounted to at the moment. So we will remove all the sides so we can get a clear view of everything. That's gonna be these 2 screws up here, screw here, open the plastics here, you'll find a screw here, screw there, and some clips underneath. I think that is it. These 3 are 4mm hex, so I'll get one of those. There we go. Now we'll take a 12mm to get these nuts off. Now taking a pick or just a small driver, you can click these clips in. And once you have them clicked in, you should be able to just pull them out like that. So you see how these work. Once you click them in, you can get them out, and to reset them, have them like that. Now you can put it in, and once it's in, you press it flush. Once it's flush, it's in there. Now just pull it off the side. There we go. Just right out to the side. That shouldn't do that. That should be held in with a screw. I don't remember why I don't have that screw, but there's some reason for it. Probably an 8. Yeah. So just removing the screws that holds in the license plate. We'll need an extender. Now let's remove the electrical contact so we can get everything out of the way, and we will put it back as needed later. Those 2. Now that we have all the cables freed up, we can just pull out the whole shebang. So it's going to be something like this. This can be really tight, the flanges on the side. I remember I maybe had to bend them out a slight bit, or maybe I just put the screws in and then screwed it up into place. There we go. Oh, that's gonna be so sick. Here's the screws that came with it. Putting in the screws just by hand, every single one, so I can finagle it into position before I tighten things down. 10 millimeter. And have these ratcheting one to make things easier. I hope I can use them. Yeah, that works great. I just screw each one in a little at a time so it goes in all even. Now there's an optional step that a lot of people skip, but this hole right here is for you to drill in and put a screw through. What do you guys think? Should I do it? Alright, I'm not gonna bother with these side holes, but if you have the mounting hardware, which I have lost, you can absolutely put them in. These 4 should be enough, so let's put the side fairing back into place. Yeah, I'm gonna have to cut off there we go, so I cut this down. Now we can put first part in, slide that in there, so this one covers it, should hold it in place, and then push in the top grommet. Start with screwing in these by hand, get everything in place. Now that they are in, I will also put the other side on. Make sure everything looks nice. Oh, looking good. You don't want to over tighten these top ones, just get them snug. They will strip very easily. Now all we gotta do is put these back in, so pop them out. So you have them looking like this. The big ones go at the top. Click. Ah, there we go. Scrape bar installed, looking fresh with the cages and everything. If you want to know how to put the license plate on and all the electrical and all that, I will figure out that in the next episode probably. So just follow this build series and we will sort that out. Maybe do something cool inward. We will see, we will see. Anyways, if you liked it, like it, subscribe if you want to stay up to date with the little bell thing. And I'll see you guys next week.